Hi, I'm Netter, and this is Netter's Network, and today I'm going to show you a quick tip. You know how sometimes you want to hold on to a box? Because it's a really great box, but like this it takes up a lot of space, so you break it down, but it still takes up a lot of space. So I'm going to show you what I do so it takes up less space. So the first thing I do, of course, is break it down like normal. But then I tuck the flaps in, just like that, and I do it on both sides. So now when I fold it, it takes up less space. Why don't you try this for yourself and tell me what you think? If you like this video, make sure you like, share it, subscribe, and hit that notifications bell so you get my new content. I also look forward to any comments you might leave below. So this was your quick tip for today. Have a great day. I'll see you next time. Bye.